Look at my crumb cup. I got so much fruit in here, there's not enough room for water. Happy day 4 of the Skinny Jean Challenge. This is how we do it. Friday vibes, guys. Look, spring is around the corner. I'm feeling all like a seafoam breeze here. It is Flex Friday. Woo! Check the calendar. You only have 1 week left of February. So congratulations for sticking to your goals, keeping your eye on your Skinny Jean zipper. And I'm eating so much fruit. I feel so fruitalicious. I feel so juicy, so ripe. Woo! All right, guys, today's an awesome day. We're going live at 8 a.m. with our Flex Friday because it's Friday night. We're going to get paid. You picking up your check today? You're going to make deposits? Remember when you pick up that check, you were so excited? Well, now we're getting direct deposits. Every day, all day, every day is payday here at jnovip.com. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. I see you guys investing in your wellness program. I see you getting protein powder, your supplement, sharing your food. We're on fire. Now, I know you're busy, but I just want to tell you, you are amazing. You are the change that you want to see in the world. You are not talking about it, you're being about it, okay? That's what I'm so excited about. You are putting it into action. There's all that theory in the world, but action, taking action will get you the results that you want. There's a lot of high, young, and pretty out there, and there's a lot of talk out there. But it takes that woman that's been around the block a couple times, that has fallen on her face a couple times, that have had some hard, this song has got me going, hard times in her life to get bounced back even stronger. That's what that VIP woman is all about. I can't believe it's already Friday 21st. This year is floating, it's flying, and the way you're going, honey, you're gonna get paid every day, and that's what I'm excited about. You're paying yourself mind, body, spirit, emotionally, mentally, physically. I love seeing everything that you're doing in the VIP group. You guys are doing awesome, and we just scratched the surface. Think about that. Think about where you're gonna be in a month if you continue. You know, even if you lose a half a pound every week, that's 26 pounds a year. Safely healing your metabolism. By the way, today at 1:15 is our jolt. I'm going to be talking about how to heal a broken metabolism. It's your body's thermostat. Things you can do naturally to help. How to fight the fat and win with food, fitness, mindset. I'm really excited about today's jolt. So come back at 1:15 and 8 a.m. We're going to be kicking off our Flex on the beach. And I'm ready. Let's just get this day started. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Let's do this. Love you, Rita. Love you. Woo, Sally. Let's go. Oh, this is how we do it. Let's go. Slowly miracles happen. Absolutely. And even quantum leaping and even rapid fire. All types of miracles. Slow, fast, in between. Let's go. Love you.